Hey, it's Patrick, and let's talk about New Rage Cycles products for your motorcycle. Now, New Rage is out of New York, and they have a line of products that is kind of near and dear to my heart because something with OEMs just irritates me to no end, and I'm sure it probably has to do with DOT regulations, is turn signals and license plate placement. They design these beautiful motorcycles, and then they put the most heinous turn signals, and they put the license plates in the worst position. Now, New Rage has a ton of fitment out there, mostly like sport bike and street bike stuff, but even ventured off into some cruiser stuff. I know they have some Indian fitments and stuff like that. But let's get a little more specific. They make license plate and turn signal relocations. Like, to me, this is kind of the flagship right here. So most of those license plates that are stuck way out there and they don't really have these big old like lollipop signals on them, all of their stuff tucks it up under the rear of the bike and brings in the signals like you see right here. And they're all really nice LED signals, and they have kind of like this opaque look to them. It's not your typical looking LED, and it's a lot of plug and play stuff. Like I said, fitment is really wide, but I would say price range is pretty good. I would say the $100 to $250 range, and when you figure what you're getting, it's a pretty good price because, like I said, it's not only plug and play. When you get the complete kits for your bike, you also don't have to worry about any load equalizers. A lot of times when you go to LED style stuff, you got to put a load equalizer on there so it doesn't flash weird. This is all completely plug and play, no extra boxes or plugins to buy. So that's big in my book. Also, they have front turn signals for a couple different models. You can see kind of like this weirdly shaped. There's actually a front turn signal here, but what this bracket is for, this is for a BMW S1000, and it tucks it up in there. So they've done a lot of design work to keep all of this stuff tucked out of the way until you want to see it. Another nice thing they have are these 360 turn signals here. Now, this isn't a plug and play part. You can wire these to anything, but I've used this style of 360 signal before, and it's great because it's meant to go around a fork leg, which really hides it nice. And again, like a lot of their stuff, it tucks it up out of the way until you hit that blinker button, and bam, that really bright LED just kind of pops out of nowhere. And in my opinion, that makes it more noticeable. It's not just that lollipop light that's just kind of hanging out there. You see it, then it goes off. With these really bright LEDs, they kind of jump out of nowhere, out of their hidden location to alert the drivers to what you're doing. So really nice stuff out of New Rage. Plug and play, big in my book because it makes installations so much cleaner. Now, if you're looking for more information on any of these products, go ahead and click on that info tab on your desktop or mobile device. It's going to take you to the product detail page where you can read other writers' reviews and more specs about all of these products. Still looking for more information? Go ahead and reach out to our customer service team. They would love to talk to you about what works best for you, your motorcycle, and your budget. I am Patrick. Thank you for watching. Now go work on those motorcycles.